Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a basket flipping triple. If you already know how to do a basket, that's good. If you already know how to do an arm jive triple, something like that, that's good too. Links to those in the description below in case you want to go back and recap them. We are fairly tight for space because this is one of those moves that has a tendency to take up a lot of length, so we're going to be doing it very compact. If you get a big dance floor, you've got a load of room, you could make this like double the length we're going to make it, but we're going to be taking quite small steps. So it looks like this. As you can see, we're going to really use as much of the space as we can, so we're shortening it by quite a lot. So it goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Obviously you can kind of let rip a little bit more if you've got a little bit more room. So let's break it down. It starts off like a standard basket. We go 2 hands, we wrap into the basket. I'm shortening it by actually coming to Karen to give us a bit more room. So we're in a basket position. What's going to happen is we're going to lead the lady to go back on the right. Guys are going to go back right too, then we go back left, then we go back right, then we flip. So we're turning to the right, we step through and we go left, right, left. We flip, everybody's turning left, and we go right, left, right. This twist out position allows us to finish the basket, round the corner, turn the lady, face, return and back. We'll do it back the other way and we'll talk numbers. So we go back to 2 hands, 1, wrap into the basket, 2. From here we're going to go back 4, 3 and 4. Then we're going to flip and go 5 and 6. We're going to flip and go 7 and 8. Round the corner 1, turning 2, facing 3, returning 4 and back 5. So let's try it together. Here we go. In making sure you've got enough room, and if you've got more room than we have, then do let rip a little bit more, but obviously we've got to keep it short. So here we go. 5, 6, a basket flipping triple. It's a back, wrap, triple step, triple step, triple step, in, under and face, return and back. The basket flipping triple. Go out there, have fun with it. Try not to sound like you're swearing when you say the name. So I hope you enjoy it. Like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Everyone who does that, really big thank you, because it helps promote the channel. Comments and questions below. We will do our very best to answer any questions people have to ask, and music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.